Wonderful good morning, guys, and welcome back to another Soul Drives video, and welcome to, well, this beautiful view of Stuttgart. I'm currently at a friend's place. This is Mark's apartment. Mark is the guy who has lent me his Ferrari Roma Spider for 2 weeks, and he does these adventure drives. The brand is called Apex Adventures, and yeah, he just wrote me a message and asked me if I'm down to join on a road trip where we're going to be taking multiple cars into the Swiss Alps, and then we're going to have a winter driving experience with some instructors who are going to tell us how to properly drive our cars on snow. And yeah, I'm just super excited. Mark's gonna drive his Ferrari Roma Spider. We're gonna have a BMW M4 with us and my Porsche 911. You know it, 991.1 Carrera 4 all-wheel drive, and I'm super curious to see how the car handles on a dedicated snow handling track. I'm so much looking forward to this, and yeah, of course I'm gonna take you guys along the way with me. So good to be back in the mountains. Yeah, I just love it. On our way, the Zugspitze was absolutely beautiful, and I got one more cool sticker that I can add to my car. And yeah, I'm just super excited for stuff like that. Just a simple sticker of a nice landmark is yeah, enough to really excite me. And that makes me really proud. I'm not afraid of miles. You can see it right here, close to 133,000 kilometers on the dash, and I'm just so excited for every single more kilometer that's gonna come on top of that. That's really what it's all about, just enjoying moments like this in this beautiful scenery, and yeah, going for a little adventure.
Geht. Schön. Das ist echt wohl eigentlich kein Video, ey. Jawohl! Yes!
Okay, I think I already learned a lot, and it's super interesting how the car reacts to every single input that you're giving. I think the 911 likes to, with the all-wheel drive system, rotate with a little bit of a push on the throttle. It kind of like drags the front end into the corner. So yeah, it's super interesting how this car behaves.
Ja, das kann man auch so machen, Oliver. Oh, das hat weg. Haben die Idee was? Oh, kommt Timingarbeit. Aufhängen, Stefan. Jawohl, das wechselt nochmal. Jetzt hat er okay. Go. Kompliment. Eine ganz tolle Briefing.